In this video, IUPAC of all examples, all alkanes examples from NCERT. We discussed this one. All examples of that NCERT. So, first example, number one example, carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Again C and C. Now you know that hydrogens, number of hydrogens. Here 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, here 3 hydrogens, 3. Here 3 hydrogens, you know that because carbon valency 4 bonds carbon. You know, in this one, first if I select the parent chain is this, just assume this marker, green marker, it is selected as the parent chain, because how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 carbons. 10 carbons parent chain. Here, you know how many branches present? Total, this is one branch. Branch, another name, substituent. And this is also one branch. Total 2 branches or 2 substituents. 2 substituents present. And 10 carbons parent chain. Same structure, same example. Carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 carbons. Here one branch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. Here C and C. Instead of this, for example, I said that this is the parent chain. Parent chain means longest chain is parent chain. We know the rules. How many carbons are present in this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same structure. In this one also 10 carbons. Substituents how many? This is total one substituent, and this is one substituent, this is one substituent, means 3 substituents. 3 substituent, or it is also called as the branches, another name. So with the same number of parent chains, but this parent chain 2 branches, this parent chain 3 branches. So more branches selected as the parent chain. 3 branches more number compared to 2. So this is not parent chain, and this is only parent chain. First point, parent chain selected. The next point, for this parent chain, numbering. This carbon only one number, 1, 2, IUPAC numbering, very important. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Numbering is completed. Because at this carbon only, at third carbon, lowest set of locant, methyl and methyl, 3 carbon. If you give the numbering this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the first substituent at 6th carbon. But here 1, 2, third carbon only. So according to lowest substituent rule, numbering, this is right. Now we go to the name, IUPAC name. See that in the next page, same example. Same example you write down here once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here C and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here C and C. Numbering also decided. Which numbering is right? This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the IUPAC numbering. IUPAC numbering. Now, IUPAC numbering after next what? You see that. IUPAC numbering next. Substituents you round up. Substituents. Here round up one substituent. Here another substituent. Total this is the substituent present. Total 3 substituent linked to the parent chain. Now parent chain I make with the green mark. This is the parent chain. See that. That chain is the parent chain. Now see here. First this substituent, total substituent presented to 5th carbon. What is this name again? Give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So second carbon what present? This group name. This group name is ethyl group. This ethyl group at second carbon. So this name 2 ethyl. 2 ethyl. See that this name ethyl. The next total this name is the butyl. So butyl. Total the substituent name 2 ethyl butyl. And again total this substituent connect to 5th carbon. That's why we start the IUPAC name. This is 5th carbon connect. So 5 within the bracket because it is a substituent, complex substituent. What is the name of this one? 2. Second carbon ethyl group present. So 2 ethyl. Next total 4 carbons. Butyl. This total name is completed. This total name. Next these are the very simple. This is only complex. This is the complex substituent. These are the simple. At which carbon? Third carbon. So 3, 3 di. This name methyl, this name also methyl. 1 carbon alkyl group. So dimethyl. What is this total up to here? It is a secondary prefix. And we know that secondary prefix for substituents only. Substituents. SUB means substituent. Substituents only. Now after secondary prefix root word. Root word in the parent chain total how many carbons are there? 10 carbons. So 10 carbons root word is dec. Dec is the RW. RW full form root word. Root word next primary suffix. All are single bonds only. So N. N is the primary su. Su means suffix. This is only IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name? 5 within the bracket 2 ethyl butyl. This name at second carbon ethyl butyl. Total this is at 5th carbon. So 5. And next 2 methyl groups at third carbon. So 3, 3 dimethyl. This is one methyl. This is another methyl. That's why dimethyl. Next total parent chain carbons. Number of carbon atoms 10. So 10 carbons root word dec. 10 carbons root word dec. And all are single bonds. So primary suffix is ane. So decane. This is the first example from NCERT. Alkane. Next another example we see that. Another NCERT examples. Next example. Okay, whatever it is number. Now C, again C here, one branch I take this CH3 and CH3. Next C, here also I take another branch CH3, again CH2, CH3. Next continuous one chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Like this. Now we give the IUPAC numbering for this. In this one, first point you select the parent chain. If you select the parent chain, like count the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 only. For example, I make the one green line. At this chain, how many carbons present? 8 carbons. 8 carbons. Otherwise, you write down once again this molecule, once again here. 1, 2, 3, and here one branch as it is. CH3, again CH3. Next what? C. Again here one branch. CH3 and CH2. CH3. Next C, C and C. For example, I select this is the parent chain. This is the parent chain. How many carbons are present? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons present. So, this is selected as the parent chain. This is not parent chain. Because in this one, 10 carbons. More number of carbons are present. So, parent chain selected. Next remaining, you can round up the branches, substituents. This is one substituent. This is another substituent. So what is this? Substituent. Substituent. And this is also substituent. How many substituents? 2 substituents are present. Then what is the substituent name? Substituent name is the secondary butyl. We know that. Secondary butyl. And what is the substituent name? The substituent name I written here. The substituent name isopropyl. Isopropyl. In this one most important. Secondary is a number. It is a number 2 degree. So for this one, S alphabet don't consider because it is a number. Secondary also written as the 2 degree. So don't consider S alphabet. Next what is that? B. So you consider B alphabet in secondary butyl. In isopropyl term, iso is a structure of carbon chain. It is not number. Iso is one, not number. So you consider the I, alphabetical order. First alphabetical order compulsory in the order, naming the IUPAC naming order. So I and B. Which alphabet first? So okay, I will give another page numbering and once again same structure, same example once again I written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many carbon taken here? 7 and 8. Total 10 carbons. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next, which carbon group? This one here. Okay. This carbon isopropyl group. Isopropyl group. Next carbon one, secondary butyl group. CH3. Again CH2. CH3. Okay, now see that. In numbering this side numbering is the correct. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the sum value for this numbering? Sum means this isopropyl branch at 4th carbon. So 4 plus this is at 5th carbon. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. If you give the numbering reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here what is the sum value? First branch at 6th carbon. So already lowest set of locant rule avoids. It violates. 6 plus 7. The lowest, first locant at 4th carbon. This is important. Here first locant at 6th carbon. First locant. Locant means branch. First locant at 6th. First locant at 4. So this is right numbering, this is wrong numbering. Now name. In the name, this branch name just now explained, it is a secondary butyl. Secondary butyl also allowed in the IUPAC. And this name isopropyl. Isopropyl. In the IUPAC name, according to naming according to alphabetical order sequence. So in the secondary butyl, B first compared to I. So secondary butyl at which carbon? 5th carbon. So what is the IUPAC name now? 5 secondary butyl. According to alphabetical order, B first. Next at 4th carbon, isopropyl. So 4 isopropyl. So total this is what? It is a secondary prefix. Next primary prefix for cyclic compound only, this is not cyclic. Next root word. So 10 carbons root word is the dec. So dec, 10 carbons root word. And the primary suffix is the ane. Why ane? All are the single bonds only. So primary suffix is the ane. That's why. What is the IUPAC name? 5 secondary butyl, 4 isopropyl. I alphabet according to alphabetical order. 4 isopropyl decane is the complete IUPAC name. Then next example. These all are from NCERT book only. Next example is, I take the next example here. The next example what present? One carbon, next alkane, NCERT. Carbon, carbon. Here again carbon, third carbon is the one ethyl group, C and C. Next one C, again C, here C, and C and C. So here simple one chain, we know the clarity. This is the longest chain. Simple clarity. How many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons longest chain. 7 carbons present. Okay, this is clarity. Then next, for example, you give the numbering this side 1, 2, 3. First locant at third carbon only. 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this green color numbering, first locant. Locant means what? Substituent, branch. This branch. At which carbon? Third carbon. Remember this number. Then give the another side numbering. This side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this side also numbering what? First locant at third carbon. In this numbering also first locant at third carbon. 3 underline. Both are same. Now in this case you can see the lowest sum. Lowest sum. For this one, what is the sum? Red color numbering. 3 third carbon ethyl. Next, what is that? 5th carbon. So what is the sum value? 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 sum. Round up. In this numbering also you can calculate the sum value. 1, 2, 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3 plus 5. In this numbering also sum value 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Then all are equal. This is equal. Third carbon. This is also equal. Equal means same. 8 same. Here also 3 same. So equal and equal. Okay, now in this case, numbering according to alphabetical order. What is this branch name? Ethyl. What is this locant name? Locant or branch name? Methyl. So methyl first letter M. Ethyl first letter E. So E comes first. So ethyl is the more priority than methyl according to alphabetical order. Which order? Alphabetical order. So in this numbering, red color numbering, ethyl group gets the 3 lowest number. Ethyl group at 3. And in the green color numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. Ethyl group at 5. So green color is wrong, red color is the right. Why? Because in the red color marker, third carbon ethyl group, the lowest number is the more priority. That's this is right, this is wrong. Now listed in IUPAC name, listed in according to alphabetical order. So I wrote the IUPAC name. This is numbering third carbon ethyl. So first you write down 3 ethyl, E underline. Next 5 methyl, 5 methyl, M underline. Total how many carbon? 7 carbon. Total this is what? Secondary prefix. Next 7 carbons root word. In the parent chain 7 carbons present. 7 carbons root word is hept. Hept is what? 7 carbons root word. Next primary suffix, all bonds are single bonds only. So ane. So ane is the primary suffix. This is the correct IUPAC name from NCERT examples. This one. So what is the IUPAC name? 3 ethyl 5 methyl heptane. Next example. We move to another example is from NCERT only. Then CC here 1, 2, again 1 carbon you take like this, and see here this is already completed. This example already completed now. This structure, because third carbon is completed. Okay. Now we move to this one. C. Next what here? C. Again C. Now this is the C and C. Again C and C. In this one, this is also very clear. This is the longest chain. Very clearly we identified, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbons. So longest chain it is parent chain. This is only parent chain. Parent chain shortcut PC. PC full form parent chain. For example, we select this one is the parent chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only. So not like this. This is the parent chain, 8 carbons parent chain. Okay, next, if I give the numbering this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. First locant. Important. First locant. Locant means branch. At which carbon? Second carbon. Second carbon. This is second carbon. First locant methyl. Then you give the reverse numbering. This side one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this numbering, first locant. That is important. First locant number. This one. First locant number. First locant at which carbon? Third carbon. At third carbon. So here second carbon, here third carbon. Which is the lowest number? Second is the lowest number. Lowest number. This is only you consider. This is the right numbering. That's why this green color numbering is the right numbering. Red color is the wrong numbering. Why green color is right? First locant at second carbon only. But in the red color numbering 1, 2, 3, first locant at branch at third carbon. So lowest number, first locant. Now number decided. Now we move to the IUPAC name. This numbering is right. Second carbon what present? Methyl. Fifth carbon methyl. Sixth carbon also methyl. All are methyls only. So methyls at which carbons? Second carbon, fifth carbon, and sixth carbon. How many methyl groups? 3. That's why trimethyl. 2, 5, 6 trimethyl. Total carbons 8 carbons. Total this is secondary prefix. Total this is one secondary prefix. Next what? Secondary prefix. Next primary prefix not there. Cyclic compound only. Primary prefix not present because it is for cyclic compound only. Next after primary prefix root word. 8 carbons root word oct. Oct is the 8 carbons root word. RW means root word. Next primary suffix is en because it is single bonds only. All are single bonds. That's why en is one primary suffix. Primary suffix is the en. So total IUPAC name is 1, 2, 5, 6 hyphen because number and alphabet. So hyphen trimethyl octane is the correct IUPAC name. Next example from NCERT book. Next example. So for example, for cyclic compounds we move to the. This is very simple name. Here parent chain only one chain is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first secondary prefix. In this one secondary prefix not present. Next primary prefix present. What is that? Cyclo. Primary prefix next what? Root word. So here what is the root word? 5 carbons root word pent. Pent is the 5 carbons root word. Very simple. Next primary suffix. Primary suffix is called what? Ane. A-N-E. Primary suffix. Primary suffix next actually secondary suffix required. Secondary suffix in the order. Secondary suffix is what? Main functional group. But in this compound there is no main functional group. That's why what is this name? Cyclopentane. Need not to maintain the gap here. So what is the IUPAC name? Cyclopentane is the correct IUPAC name. Next if you take the another compound here. This is simple name. Another compound only. This is the also cyclic compound. Next what here? Line given, that's all. Bond line formula. Like this only. So remember this. Here two substituents, locants are there. Do you know this locant name? One line means here one carbon present. They give this complete structure means like this. This structure and this line meaning one carbon. So how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. And here this line means here one carbon. And down one line means here one carbon. Up one line means one carbon. So this carbon 2 bonds completed. Remaining 2 are the hydrogen CH2. Here CH3. Here also CH2. So this is the structure of this. Next IUPAC numbering. Before parent chain you selected. Parent chain is this one. 6 carbons parent chain. 6 carbons in parent chain. But before going to numbering, this substituent locant name you write down here. Locant name. What is this locant name? Methyl. Methyl first letter you write down M. Then next this locant name propyl. Propyl first letter P. So now here you follow the both are alkyl groups only. Here you follow the alphabetical order. So M and P, which alphabetical comes first in ABCD? A B C D F G H I K M N O P. So M first. So M is the more priority. According to which order? Alphabetical order. M is the more priority than P. So M means what here? Methyl group. So IUPAC numbering like this. This is the more priority means 1 number, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This numbering is right numbering. Here also is the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to which order? Alphabetical order. Now I write the name. IUPAC name listed according to alphabetical only. Methyl first carbon methyl. So 1 methyl. 1 methyl. Next third carbon propyl. So 3 propyl. Total this is what? This is the, so in the next page we explain this one. Same structure. Okay, same structure I take here. Same structure. This ring and here line, here like this. So we know that numbering already decided according to alphabetical order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first according to alphabetical order methyl first. So what is this IUPAC name? 1 methyl. At third carbon propyl. So 3 propyl. Total this is one secondary prefix. Secondary prefix next what is in the order? Primary prefix. What is the primary prefix? Cyclic compound cyclo. So cyclo is the primary prefix. Primary prefix next what in the order? RW. RW means root word. In this parent chain how many carbons are there? 6. 6 carbons root word is eggs. So eggs is the root word. After this one primary suffix. Primary suffix all are single bonds only. So ane. Ane is the primary suffix. Ane. Now in this one there is no secondary suffix because there is no main functional group. So 1 methyl, 3 propyl, cyclohexane is the IUPAC name, correct IUPAC name. Next, here cyclic ring, we take the cyclic ring. Next, there is the 2 lines like here, this one. This is important. First it is converted into number structure. This is the bond line structure only. Complete structure is, this is no change, we know that. This line means C. This line means here C. And here this turning means corner means C. And end point means C. So for this carbon how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens because 1 bond only. For this carbon also 3 hydrogens. For this carbon 2 bonds completed. So 2 hydrogens. It is the 3 hydrogens. Then this is the parent chain. For this parent chain, this is a substituent. What is that name? Methyl. It is also substituent, methyl. And this total locant or substituent is the ethyl. Here methyl groups are 2 methyl groups at carbon. That's why this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This numbering is the correct numbering. Because according to sum, what is the sum value for this numbering? This methyl at first carbon, this methyl at first carbon, so 1 plus 1 plus this ethyl at third carbon, 3. So total 5 sum. Now we give the reverse numbering. Reverse numbering means same structure I write here, same structure. So here methyl, methyl and ethyl group, same structure written. Now at this position what? I give the numbering reverse. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this position, this group locant at which carbon? First carbon, some value. This methyl at which carbon? This methyl third carbon. This methyl also at which carbon? Third carbon. So 1 plus 3 plus 3. 7. So this sum value, more sum. This is the lowest sum, low sum. Low value. Low value. That's why according to lowest sum, this is right, this is wrong. Here you don't consider alphabetical order. This methyl, this is the ethyl. Now I write the IUPAC name in the next page. IUPAC name. So once again I write the structure here. Structure. This is the structure. And the lines and also lines. In numbering order decided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. According to lowest sum. Numbering okay according to lowest sum, but listed in alphabetical order. So what is this name? It is a ethyl. Ethyl E underline. What are these name? Methyl. Methyl M underline. So according to alphabetical order, E first. Ethyl group at third carbon. So what is this IUPAC name? 3-ethyl. 3-ethyl. E underline. Next 1, 1 dimethyl. So students, once again here consider di means D. So it is a number. Don't consider this. Alphabetical order M consider. What is the reason? Di is a number. Number. D alphabet not consider. Alphabetical not consider. Not consider. Not consider in which order? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. You consider M. Here ethyl. E consider. E and M. E first. So listed according to name. Then this total is the secondary prefix. Next one, primary prefix. In this one present cyclic. So primary prefix is cyclo. Cyclo is primary prefix. Next word RW means root word. 6 carbons in the parent chain. So hex. Next primary suffix. Primary suffix is equal to what? Ane. Primary suffix is the ane. So single bonds only present. That's why ane. What is this name? 3-ethyl 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. This is the correct IUPAC name. Next example, we go to that in the NCERT. So we give the two names here, 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Next one, next example. Pick out the correct IUPAC name. I give the two names. Which is right, which is wrong? 2,2-dimethyl 2,2-dimethyl pentane. Pentane. 4,4-dimethyl pentane. 4,4-dimethyl pentane. Pentane. And in this one, which is correct, which is incorrect for only structure. Here, see that pent means first you write in the structure 5 carbons. So this is the way. First you identify the root word. 5 carbons write down 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2, 2. 1, 2. 2, 2 dimethyl means here 1 methyl, here 1 methyl. Leave it. Come to this name into structure. Here also pent means what? 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can give the numbering anyone of the 5, 4, 4. So here, like this. For example, you give the numbering this side here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also you give the numbering just as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4, 4 dimethyl pentane. But in these two names, which is correct, which is incorrect? So in this name follows the lowest sum rule. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. But in this one, 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So in these two, which is the lowest sum rule? This is the lowest sum. Lowest sum. That's why this name is correct name. This name is the incorrect name. Because here 4 comma 4 numbering, actually here you take numbering. This is the right 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 comma 2 dimethyl pentane means this one only. That's why this numbering is wrong. Why wrong? According to lowest sum rule, because it is the 8 sum, this is the 4 sum. This is the correct one, this is the incorrect one. Next example in the NCR. Here also, which name is the correct, which is the incorrect name? One name, either one name. 247 name. Either one name. 247. What is the trimethyl octane? Trimethyl octane. This is the one name. Another 257. Another name 257 trimethyl octane. So then this name into structure means underline the root word. Oct means how many carbons? 8 carbons. Write down 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 carbons. Right. Numbering also you give that any side numbering, because only parent chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Second carbon what present? Methyl. So here you write down one methyl group. Fourth carbon what present? Methyl. You write down here. Seventh carbon what present? Methyl. So you write down methyl. This is the structure. Name structure. Here also see that name. What is the root word? Here also oct. So same 8 carbons you write down for this one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Numbering also you give that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Second carbon what? Methyl. Fifth carbon what? Methyl. Next seventh carbon what? Methyl. Methyl group. So in this one, which is the correct name, which is the incorrect name? Okay. Now see here. What is the sum value here? Sum. Write down sum. Sum is equal to 2 methylate second carbon, methylate fourth carbon, methylate seventh carbon. What is the sum? 7 plus 2 9 plus 4 13. 13 is the sum. 13 1 3. Here what is the sum value? Methylate second carbon, methylate fifth carbon, methylate seventh carbon. So 7 plus 2 9 plus 5 14. See that. This is the lowest sum. Lowest sum. So this is the right numbering. This is not lowest sum. So this is the wrong number. So this name is the right name. This name is the wrong name. This is the way how to select the correct name and incorrect name. Next example. Next example in the NCERT book. 2-chloro. See that? I'll give another name. 2-chloro. So in the next page we will see this one. 2-chloro. Next what is any substance you take 4-methyl pentane hyphen 4-methyl pentane. Pentane. This is the one name. For this computation 4-chloro 2-methyl another 4-chloro 2-methyl 2-methyl. So what is the root word we can take here? 4-chloro 2-methyl pentane. You take same root word. Okay, pentane. these two names, which is correct, which is incorrect. First, what is the process? Root word underline. Pent means how many carbons? 5 carbons. So I write the 5 carbons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, numbering also you give that any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now second carbon chloro means here I select the chlorine. Fourth carbon methyl, I select the CH3 group. Finish. Next here also, what is the root word? Pent means 5 carbons in this name also. So you write down 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one, fourth numbering you can give the next second step numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth carbon what present? Chloro according to this name. Second carbon what present? Methyl means CH3. Now here second carbon chloro. Here one fourth carbon chloro. First point in this one sum value you calculate. What is the sum value? Sum is equal to second carbon chlorine means 2 plus fourth carbon methyl 4 is equal to 6. Here also sum value you calculate. Sum value second carbon methyl. So sum is equal to this methyl at second carbon 2. Here second. This chlorine at fourth carbon. So you take this 4. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now see here. This sum value same. Sum is equal to sum value. Sum value same. Same value 6 and 6. Therefore we move to the alphabetical order. Therefore alphabetical order. If sum value not same, you go to the lowest sum in the previous example. But here sum value is same. So in this case only you move to the alphabetical order. According to alphabetical order, chlorine, what is the chlorine first alphabet? C. Methyl M. Here chlorine, so chlorine at which number? 2, numbering 2. Methyl at 4. Here chlorine at 4, methyl at 2. According to alphabetical order, which first? C. C. Chloro, C first. Then compare to methyl, M. So you get the lowest number for chlorine. Chlorine, lowest number. In which one chlorine lowest number? In this name, chlorine at second carbon. In this name, chlorine at fourth carbon. So this numbering is wrong. But chlorine at second carbon, this numbering is right. Chlorine can decide the numbering here. So this IUPAC name is the correct one. This IUPAC name is this name is the incorrect IUPAC name. So this is the way process. Next example in NCERT. Next example we discuss in NCERT. So next example I go to that here. CC carbon and carbon, then carbon here, again carbon and carbon. So here what is this IUPAC name? It is very simple. Numbering, here there is a branch, you take here branch. I give the 2 numbering this side red color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Immediately write down sum value. So this methyl group at second carbon. So 2 plus this ethyl group at fourth carbon. 4 is equal to 6. Then you write down the reverse numbering also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This ethyl group at which carbon? Ethyl group at third carbon. So 3 plus. And this methyl locant at which carbon? Green numbering 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So this is the lowest sum. This is the highest sum. Though this numbering is wrong. This numbering is the right. Why right? We decided lowest sum. Here don't consider the alphabetical order. Okay. Numbering decided. What is this IUPAC name? Numbering is, this is correct numbering. This is the wrong numbering. In the correct numbering, this is the methyl, this is the ethyl. Listed in alphabetical. Here, listed. Listed in alphabetical order means write the two different names of this compound. First, this numbering is right. Second carbon methyl. So 2 methyl. And next fourth carbon ethyl. 4 ethyl. This is not listed in alphabetical order. Not listed according to which order? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical. What is the reason? M underline, E underline. But in A, B, C, D, E, F, E comes first. Prefix is the ane. Ane is the primary suffix. Secondary prefix, root word, primary suffix. So 4 ethyl, 2 methyl, hexane is the correct IUPAC name. And this video is the part 1. You can see that. Part 1 NCERT alkanes examples. Next examples we discussed in part 2. So NCERT one we discussed in the NCERT examples only. NCERT examples.